Page 53, Snowy Day. In this lesson, they're giving you the other two notes for the bass clef we haven't had yet. I mean, there's more, but I mean the two in this area of the keyboard. Because we've had these, and you've had C. So now we get the A and the B, right there. And they show them to you. The B is right above the staff. It's right under middle C. And the A is the top line. I leave it to you to just memorize these notes, know them from now on. If you have to, do the play and say it drill. And Snowy Day at the beginning, you play the note, say the name of it so you can hear the note as you say it. C, B, A, B, C, B, A, B. Drill yourself on the names of these notes. So in this case, then we're going to have all the notes pretty much up through here, I think, as far as I can remember. And then we'll get the rest of them as time goes on, because we got more to go. So keep up. There's quite a few notes here that you need to know already. If you don't, if you're confused, you go back and start again and go through it again. Please don't be in a hurry to get through the book. Take your time with it, lots of reviewing, make sure you're comfortable with what we're doing. They say we're stepping down. Well, it's because, yeah, that's stepping down. And stepping up would go the other way. And here we're doing that C, B. All right, so much for stepping down. They have a rhythm review. You can have fun with that if you want. I prefer to just read the rhythms in the music. Let's talk about Snowy Day. I look it over. I see it's one line long with a repeat sign. So it's going to be two lines, but we only have one line of music to learn. The clef signs are still treble and bass clef. The time signature now is 3/4 time. So there's only 3 beats in a measure. So we won't see any whole notes here. They're not allowed. But we do have the dotted half notes. That's 3 counts. I see both hands are playing, but it's just one hand at a time. So I'm going to talk about both hands here. So you're starting with left hand, thumb on middle C here, puts the hand here. The right hand, when it comes in measure 5, is 4th finger on this, that puts the hand here. So we're in this, what we call a middle C position. When we're like this and the thumbs are sharing middle C position. One thumb or the other will play it, that's all. Which thumb plays it? That's up to the music. If the C's in the upper staff, the right hand will do it. If the C's in the lower staff, the left hand will do it. Okay. So at the beginning, we have that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Get the idea? You go through and play it. Then go back through it carefully and get rid of the hesitations. And since you're not moving around, we want to get to where we can play this without looking at the keyboard also. The dynamic given is MF or mezzo forte, or moderately loud, sort of loud, whatever you think that is. But then in the third measure, you have a P. Well, that means soft. So you're going to start out with sort of loud. Now I'm soft here. And then to measure 5, now I'm loud. Forte's loud. It's just adjusting how much weight I use to play the keys. I'm sort of heavy here. Let the wrist collapse a little bit too. Don't stiffen up and play with a tight wrist. Let it collapse a little bit. You're just putting a sort of heavy weight. And then you're very light for the third measure, very little weight. And then for the 5th measure, now you're heavy. Make sure you let the wrist collapse a little bit when you do this. Not a lot, just a little bit. The idea with a flexible wrist like this is it helps to stay relaxed, and that's what we're after. That's really what it's about. And once I have the dynamics, I think about the speed. It says a moderate waltz tempo, so it's somewhere in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2. Exaggerate them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Somewhere in there. Maybe not that fast. I'll leave that up to you. And again, please don't copy me. You read the music, you feel it. You don't have to go that fast. You can play around with the dynamics a little bit. How do you feel it? Once you can play this okay with no hesitations, let's play it together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any louds and softs. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and rhythms. But I will do the repeat, so we're going to play it twice. And I'll give us 3 counts because there's only 3 beats in a measure. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, off. There's a duet at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. I'm going to speed this up just a little bit. And again, I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend the middle C on the piano, instead of here, is here. And instead of here, you're here. Play it all up here. Did I say I'll give us 3 counts? I can't remember. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.